Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry I've not been making MotoVlog for I guess couple of weeks now since I came back from Pakistan. So the reason being nothing much, but it was raining, so I didn't took my bike out, and also my brake pads were about to finish, but now the brake pads have changed, and I also got the beautiful carbon tank cover from Clever Wolf Racing. It's actually pretty expensive, but nevertheless, it's good for protection, and it really blends. In contrast, it looks really good. So yeah, the weather is back to normal, no more raining, so I'm guessing that the MotoVlog should be fine. And the other thing, I also had a problem with the mic. I'm not quite sure if it is working yet or not, but I hope it is working, because I do not want to spend much money on another microphone or GoPro microphone adapter. So let's hope that it works out well. So yeah, it's morning, 7:45 a.m. and I am actually going to work right now. Not far from here. It'll take roughly probably not more than 10 minutes. So let's see, okay. Oh, the roads are empty. Oh my god, it is always fun to hit the red line. Go on. There you go. I needed to go straight. That's why I left him some room. So, oh, there are big buses in the morning. Just to let you know, these are tourist buses. So Thailand is a tourist country, guys. Look at that Porsche. I really like Porsche, man, and I would love to own one. But you know what? Here, Porsches are really expensive. Not Porsches, every European brand is really expensive. The tax here is like 310%, guys, which is a lot. Sports car like Porsches or any other stuff, and those prices you will only get Mercedes here, and Mercedes C-Class. So you can imagine how the pricing works here. The tax is whooping 310%, which is quite a lot, man, quite a lot. Now the signal is green. I hope to make it. Oh no, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. I gotta wait here for like 3 minutes, I'm guessing, or probably 5 minutes. Well, that's a long wait. I hope microphone is working, otherwise I'll be speaking alone all the way. Whew. Now, the rainy season is kind of gone, and now we have this heat again. But yeah, I think it is a bit better than rain. I do not want to wash or clean my bike every day. I haven't washed my bike for a long time already, so I might be washing my bike probably this Saturday, and I hope it won't rain next week, because next week on Friday I am going to Buriram. Yep, you heard it right, Buriram, to watch MotoGP. I'm not quite sure if it is round number 19 or round number 17 or probably another round, yeah. But it is being held in Thailand, Buriram, which is roughly 5 hours of a ride from my house. I got a grandstand pass from where I can see all the action. I might also get a VR46 shirt there. I already got myself a cap, but I also need a shirt. I'm a Rossi fan club. Look at that. Is that a Triumph? Yeah, that looks beautiful. Triumph looks really classy, guys. You can see in the morning when signal is red, all you'll see are mopeds. You can call them mopeds or big scooters, but they do make life easier. Oh, these buses just got here after like 5 minutes. I think I should go ahead a bit so that people can come inside. Okay, because I saw there's one person behind me who was right in the middle of the road and buses were on his left hand side, so it's pretty dangerous. So I have to step ahead a bit so that he can get inside, I mean behind me, just to stay safe. Oh man, it's hot. Well, that's a zebra crossing. Well, I'm also at the wrong position, but this car, a Honda Accord, well, he just takes the whole zebra crossing. He knows that the signal is about to turn red, but he didn't stop. He just trying to go for it, and he stuck right in the middle of the zebra crossing. Come on. Look at that ad, man. That chicken looks really tasty. Come on, auntie. Oh my god. Won't be able to go anywhere. Oh, come on. Okay, there you go. I tried to give her the way, but my bike is too heavy. I think the signal's gonna turn green now. Yeah, they are. Well, I gotta go in the right lane because that lane is the fastest, according to what I believe. Oh, they hit each other in this heavy traffic. Okay, I'm here. Oh my god, there are a lot of bikes in front of me. Look at the traffic in the morning, guys. Whoa. Somebody just messaged me. They are trying to overtake each other. I must scoop them up. I have heard that Bangkok's traffic is the worst traffic in the world. but I'm not sure. I'm used to it now, so I know the tricks, but it is recommended for everyone who is traveling to Thailand and Bangkok especially to avoid taking taxi if you have an access to a subway or a SkyTrain. You can see just above me there's a SkyTrain rail line, which is really good. It'll save you a lot of time. You take a taxi here, take an Uber here, it will come out the same. Oh my god. Are we good here? Okay, we are good. Okay, people, allow me please. There you go. Granny, be careful. There we go. Okay, guys. So, I'm about to reach my workplace. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna probably end the MotoVlog here. And I hope to continue making it. So, yeah. Please do help subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos. Thank you. Out for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. There you go. The mic is not working.